Okay, so we will study about international and national organizations. Yes, so everyone may have heard of UN or UNO, United Nations Organization. Yes.
Yes, sir.
Huh. So UN or UNO is what? Yes, is an organization founded on what? 1945 to prevent what? Any possible war. So do you know Second World War? Yes. Have you heard
Yes,
of
sir.
Second World War?
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Okay.
sir.
So after Second World War, it was formed. Okay. So how many countries were there in that? At the starting, there were around 51 countries. Okay. Okay. So after Second World War, in the year which year? 1945. 1945. So if you want to remember the date, 24 October. But that will not be asked. Remember the year 1945. Okay. So it was formed by 51 countries to ensure the peace and security. Means after the war, it was after the war, so to prevent the large wars like that, it was formed to maintain the peace. Means to not have any future wars of such magnitude, right? Okay, so to protect the human rights, promote international cooperation. Cooperation means what? To have the good relations between countries and for upholding international law. So international law means that is the rules set, that is the set of rules which the every country has to follow, right? So those rules. Okay, so this is the main purpose of the what United Nation at that time. But now the purpose has changed. Okay, so there are so many different branches in that. Means there are important organs in that. Okay, so which are very important nowadays. They are functioning in different ways. Okay, so let us see now. So UN was established to
Sir,
replace the League of Nations. Okay.
sir,
What?
what is the full form of UN?
UN, I told, United Nations. United Nations. United Nations means unite. What do you mean by unite? Yes. Hmm? What do you mean by unite?
To-
Hmm?
Together.
Together. Right? Unite means
Together.
together or a
Together.
group. Right? Group of countries. Right? United means
Sir.
group. Okay? So group or that is a organization. Okay, like that. So before United Nation, UN, there was one more organization. What was the organization? League of Nations. What is the organization?
Nations.
League of Nations was
League
there.
of Nations.
Okay, so when did League of Nations form? After World War One.
One.
After World War One. Okay,
One.
so but it was not so powerful and it could not prevent World War Two. So that is why they stopped this. That is, they dissolved this and they started new organization, that is UN. This one. Okay, United Nation. Okay, so here the headquarters of the UN Okay, so that is here. If you I just told it. So League of Nations, an international organization that existed earlier, that is before World War II, till World War II. Okay, it was there. So that is during that, and after World War II ended, they formed UN. Okay, League of Nations was formed after World War One to prevent any future war, next wars. Okay, but it could not prevent. Okay, that is why what happened, they formed the United Nations. So where is the headquarter? United Nations headquarter is in New York, USA. Okay,
New
so
York
remember this. So
University.
New York, USA. Okay. uh, so official languages are not required, but what are the languages? Arabic, Chinese, English, French, Russian, and Spanish. These are the languages. Okay, so no need to remember, they will not ask. There are different branches in that, means there are different organizations in that UN. Okay, the main organizations, what are the main organization? General Assembly, you may have heard of UN General Assembly. So there will be discussions, there will be all the top leaders from the countries, different countries will be giving speech in the General Assembly. You can see that. Okay, so they will be discussing about the future things. Okay, so UN General Assembly. Security Council. Security, I will just give some brief about it. Security Council is oversees the security of what? Yes, that is the conflicts, means the different conflicts between the countries and what is to be done. Like you may have seen, there are wars going on in the countries, different countries. So they will take decision upon that. So what is to be done? Okay, so those important decisions will be taken in the Security Council. Economic and Social Council, it is about the economics of the different countries. Like there is climate change is affecting so many countries, right? Yes, and also there are poor countries and rich countries, right? So how to support the poor countries, how to uplift them, there will be different programs will be run. Okay, so that is all will be taken care of that. Next is Trusteeship Council, and the Secretariat, that is one. Trusteeship and Secretariat, so these are there. Okay, next, sixth is International Court of Justice. So International Court of Justice is one of the very important organ. Okay, that functions to give the resolve the conflicts between countries. If there is any problem between one country and another country, they will go here and solve the problems in this court. Okay, so where is it located? It is located in Netherlands, this court. Okay, so International Justice, that is International Court of Justice, is in Netherlands, but all these five are in New York only. Okay, all these five are in New York only. International Court is in Netherlands. Okay, understand? Any doubt? So let us see next, that is important organs of UN. Okay, so the main is General Assembly. General Assembly means all the countries will be member here, all the countries will be member here. Okay, so it is the policy making and representative organ. So it makes the policy for the UN. Okay, and so representative organ means all the country representative means the representative from every country will be member of this. Okay, every country will be member of this. So there are how many members? Yes, 193 country are members of this. How many countries are there? 193 countries. Okay. So making it only UN body with universal representation means all members are there here. All countries are member here. Okay. So in other organs, that is the branches, there are all members are not there. Okay, so this is the only organ that is from the UN. It has all the countries as members. Okay, so the last country to join was South Sudan. Okay, in which year? 2011. That is the 193rd member. So decision on important questions such as peace and security, admission of new members, and budgetary matters require 2/3 of majority in the assembly. That is not required. Don't remember this. And is the current president of UN General. That is not required. They will not ask president and all. The first session. Remember, the first session of UN General Assembly was when it was conducted? 1946. Remember only the year 1946 at Central Hall in London, United Kingdom, that is Britain. Okay, so first General Assembly of UN was in 1946 in London. Okay. So this is not required. They will not ask. Okay. From India. Okay, so from India, Vijay Lakshmi Pandit was the only Indian to be elected as the President of United Nations in which year? 1953. Okay, so the first and the only Indian to be elected as the President of United Nations, UN. Okay, so who was it? Vijay Lakshmi Pandit. So that was in year 1953. Okay, so Vijay Lakshmi Pandit is what? Sister of Jawaharlal Nehru. Okay, remember that. So next is
Sir, elder or younger?
What?
Elder or younger?
Okay, so should we see next? That is Security Council. Okay. So Security Council, if you see, Security Council has primary responsibility of maintenance of international peace and security. This is the organization which has the most powers. Okay, it has most powers, and it is what? The organization which is formed to prevent conflicts, future conflicts, and they take the major decisions on the peace and security. So if there is any war and all, these body will take the major decisions. Okay, Security Council. So it is a 15-member body, out of which 5 members are permanent. These are the members. Okay, 5 members are there, right? In that 15 countries, 5 members are permanent members. So these are the countries at the starting, they were the main members. Okay, so and 10 members are what? Temporary, who are elected for 2-year term. Okay, so India has been continuous member, that is in these 10 members. Okay, that is non-permanent member. So 5 permanent
Sir,
members.
India has been in the Security Council 8 times.
What?
India has been in the Security Council for 8 times.
Yes. Okay. So here 5 permanent members are there, right? They have veto power. Veto power means what? That is, if they say no, then everyone has to agree. But if non-permanent member, these 10 members who are not permanent, if they say no, there will be voting. Okay, so the majority wins. But here in the veto power, that is 5 members, these countries 5, if they say no, then we cannot pass that law or whatever is the argument. Okay, there is discussion. Okay, so that is China, France, Russia, and UK and USA. These are the 5 countries. Okay, so which are what? 5 permanent members, and they have veto power. Okay, if they say no means, if any country says no, then they cannot pass any law. Okay, in the Security Council, right? So here in 1957, VK Menon had set the record for longest speech. How many hours? 8 hours before the UN Security Council, while defending India's rights to be what disputed to the disputed territory of Kashmir, and earned the title of Hero of Kashmir. So there is conflict between Pakistan and India about Kashmir, right? So that was discussed. Okay.
Sir, what is disputed?
Dispute means argument, conflict, like that. Okay. Yes.
Sir, why have the in
Yes. So it is disputed between. Okay, but Kashmir is an integral part of India. Okay, so remember that. So there are different organizations and its headquarters are given. So mainly you have to remember this. Okay, so what are the organizations and its headquarters, where it is located? Let us see. Okay, Food and Agriculture Organization, where is it? It is in Rome, Italy. And International Civil Aviation Organization. Civil aviation means what? Right?
Excuse me, sir.
Huh.
Sir, this is not in the book, sir.
So see here, Food and Agriculture Organization headquarters is Rome, but not so important. Okay, I will tell important, those you have to remember. International Civil Organization, Civil Aviation, not so important. No need to remember. International Fund for Agriculture Development, so not so important. You have to remember International Labour Organization, ILO. Where it is? It is Geneva, Switzerland. So they mainly take care of all the workers, right? Labor is workers. Okay, that is the workers of the company. So they mainly form the laws which are helpful for the workers, okay, of the company. Understand? So next is International Monetary Fund. So where is it? International Monetary Fund. So remember this, Washington DC, that is USA. Okay, yes. So next is, you don't need to remember this. Okay, UNESCO, you may have heard of, that is United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization. UNESCO headquarters, where is it? It is in Paris. Okay, so remember this one. Okay, so not required, this is not required. Okay, so this is also not required. So remember mainly these 3. Okay, understand? So next, these are the special agencies of UN and its headquarters. So some more we will see. So specialized agencies. Okay, Postal Union not required. WHO, yes, World Health Organization. You may have heard of this during COVID. Yes, yes. They
Yes,
issue
sir.
they issue guidelines.
Yes, sir.
Yes, they issue guidelines about the all the diseases, and they do the research and all. Okay, so World Health Organization, WHO. So WHO headquarter is during where? That is Switzerland. That is Geneva. Okay, okay. So this is not required. And World Bank is important. Where is it? World Bank. It is also in USA. That is Washington DC. Okay, got it. So will you remember? Okay. So next is the secretariat. So secretariat, what is the function? What is the main thing they do? Activities of the United Nations. They administer all the activities and coordinate them. Okay. So secretariat is headed by United Nations Secretary General. Okay. So Secretary General of the United Nations is the Chief Administrating Officer of the United Nations. The current Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. Is the 9th Secretary General of United Nations. So not required. No need to remember this. Okay. So that is no much important for you. United Nations Special Agencies. There are 15 special agencies. Okay. And okay, the status specialized agencies. Given status specialized agencies. Okay, they are self-governing bodies who operate under the UN in their own rules, membership and funding mechanism. Okay, so these are their rate. So these are the 15 what organizations. So just now we saw. Okay, yes. So we will study some of them. Okay, which are there? World Trade Organization, WTO. World Trade Organization. Trade means what? Yes, trade between countries, export and import. Yes, have you heard of export and import?
No, sir.
You don't know? Export means sending items to other country. Okay, India sends, that is India sells what? Rice and sugar, cotton, diamond, it exports. Okay, so that is finished diamonds, polished diamonds. And import, so what India doesn't has and what it takes. Yes, India imports oil. India doesn't has oil, right? It takes oil from the Middle East countries, from the US, from the other countries, Russia and all. Okay? Yes. So it imports oil. It imports technology. Yes, isn't it? So there are technical expertise outside, and the machinery, technology, and different things it imports. Okay? Yes. Understand? So import means what? Buying, that is taking. Okay, taking in, that is buying. Okay, buying. Understand? Okay. So it World Trade Center what oversees the export and import of the different countries, and then the okay. So dealing with rules of trade between member nations. Okay, so trade, that is import export. The purpose of the WTO is to promote free trade by reducing barriers like import export duties to sort out trade problems between the member countries. So you may have seen, yes, so India has put duties on the items coming from China. Why? Because to help the domestic manufacturers. Okay, you may have heard of China is the one of the largest manufacturer of all things, right? so they make in cheap. Okay, so they make in cheap. If everything the cheap comes from China, when then it cannot be manufactured in India, right? So we cannot manufacture that much cheap in India, so it will be everyone will be buying China made. Then India who will face problems, there will be no jobs and all, right? So that is why to stop that, India put import duties. Duties means extra money on that. If you are importing from China, we'll put extra tax on that, so that it will come with the level or more than the price which the item will be made in India. Okay, like that. Understand? Yes. So this is about that. So WTO was created on which date? 1995. Remember this year. Okay. So in the at the Uruguay round of GATT, that is General Agreement on Trade and Tariff Negotiations. Okay, so just remember this much, that is 1955 is enough. In year 1955. So international organizations has how many members? 164 members and 24 observer governments. Afghanistan became 164th country on year which 2016. So no need to remember. Okay, so India is one of the founding members, that is since 1995. Okay, so remember this much, 164 countries. Okay, so WTO's headquarters is in Geneva, Switzerland. Okay, next is Gozi Okonjo Iweala, okay, is the present Director General of, okay, she is the first woman Chief of WTO and the first African to hold the office. So they will not ask, don't need to remember. Okay, so okay, fine. Okay, so remember this much. World Trade Organization, there are 164 members and it was founded in 1995 and it is headquartered where? Tell me. Geneva, Switzerland. Remember this. These are very important. Okay. Yes. Got it.